Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And koro you here Nigerian, you understand. So basically I am just making a quick puff puff, hands free puff puff, because at this time when the hands, everything is very crucial. I'm just going to show you guys how to make puff puff hands free, to be fair. So these are the following ingredients that I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to mix all the dry stuffs together with the exception of the vanilla essence. So I mix the vanilla essence with the whole mixture. So I'm adding the sugar now, and then after that I am going to add a bit of water, like mix all the mixture together basically, and add a bit of water. Then I'm going to use my hand mixer to whisk everything together, and then just basically whisk it up together until it has that thick runny consistency. I can't really explain it, but I feel like you will know when it's the right consistency. So if you feel like it's still running, add a bit more flour. As you can see, I felt like it was a bit more runny, so I added a bit more flour, and then I continued to whisk. Realized that I didn't add some cinnamon, so I added cinnamon, and I also added nutmeg, as you saw earlier. This just develops the flavor and it makes it very yummy that you can't just stop eating it. You just want to keep having more. It just bangs. Then I'm just going to cover it with a lid. Normally if you have a airtight container, that would be fabulous, but for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to show you guys. And then I'm just going to wrap it and cover it with, I used my pot lid, but hey. Then I wrapped it in a blanket and I put it into the oven. The oven was already preheated, and by the time the puff puff went in there, it was already switched off. Then this is the I'm going to be using an ice cream scoop to scoop the mixture inside. Now this is how the puff puff mixture look like when it's doubled in size, and you should see some bubbles at the very top. If you've got trypophobia, I'm so sorry about this. Sometimes it gets to me as well, but yeah, so when you bring it out, you could just mix it all together, because I really don't like seeing those bubble holes on it. Ugh, drives me crazy. Anyway, then now I am going to put the just look at what I'm doing with the ice cream scoop and how I'm putting it in the oil. So my oil has been heated on high to medium heat, but when the puff puff goes in, I've reduced it to medium heat so that it would cook properly, because if you cook it on a high heat, it would cook on the outside but not on the inside. So when the puff puff goes in on a medium heat, and then I just add in all the puff puff. This puff puff I made only served 2 people, because I just wanted to show you guys how to make it, especially in this time of koro. So then once I'm done, I just turn it to the other side to make sure that both sides are well browned. There's no degree of how brown it should be. Some people like it light brown, some people like it golden brown, some people like it like brown, like, and some people like it burnt brown. I don't know how burnt brown works, but anyways, yeah, once you see how golden brown it is, then you can just take it out and just put it on a tissue so that it could soak up, the tissue will soak up the excess oils. And this is how your puff puff should be looking like. Don't worry if it's not browned one color the entire way. Sometimes that happens, one side is lighter than the other, it's still fine. And that is it. Then you open it, your puff puff should be looking like this. For more flavor, and if you've got a sweet tooth, you can add Nutella. I added strawberry sauce to this, you can add white chocolate sauce to this, and voila, all done. I hope everyone is keeping safe this period and have a fabulous day.